Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am crocheting this mask. It has a curve to the nose. It also pops onto the nose, so even if you're wearing glasses, sometimes it doesn't even fog up your glasses, and it covers pretty well over your nose, and it has a good shape on your jawline. So here we go, and we cover the. So to this slip knot, you grab the short end, you cover the long end, you fold it over the long end, and then you pull the long end over the short end. Then you put the yarn, the hook through, and then you pull a little bit so you close the hole. Now you grab your index finger, and then you put it over the yarn over your index finger, and you put the yarn under your middle finger and your ring finger, and then you put the yarn over your pinky. Now you chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Crochet into the second chain from the hook, so 1, and then you single crochet to single crochet in each of the next chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you chain 1 and turn. Next, you should have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 single crochets. Now you're going to single crochet in each of those stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 1 and turn. And then you're going to single crochet 2 into the first chain, into the first single crochet, sorry. And then single crochet 1 into the next 3 chains, single crochets. 1, 2, 3. And then 2 single crochets into the next chain. Single crochet. Sorry about that again. Chain 1 and then turn. And then this is the pattern until row 15. So 1, 2, 3. So you're gonna single crochet 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. Chain 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 1, 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 in this, and 2 in the beginning of this one. So 1, 2, 2 in each of the beginning and the end. 1, 2, 2 in the beginning, and you do that until the beginning, until the row 15. Once you reach 15 rows, you will single crochet, chain 1 and turn. Then you will single crochet 2 in the next stitch, then 1 single crochet in each of the next stitches. Then row 17 you will have 1 single crochet in each of the next 15 stitches, and then 2 single crochets in the last stitch. And then row 18 to 23 you will just do 1 single crochet in each stitch, chain 1 and turn. Now I have crocheted 23 rows. It should look something like this. This is the nose and this is the chin. So now you'll chain 1 and turn. You will single crochet 2 together, on row 24, and then single crochet 1 single crochet in the next 15. 1, 2, 13, 14, 15. Now you'll chain 1 and turn. You will crochet in the next 14 stitches, 1 single crochet in the next 14 stitches, and then you will single crochet 2 together. And then row 26 you will single crochet 2 together, one, and then single crochet 10, one, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make that 11 actually, and then you will single crochet 11 in between, and then single crochet two together at the end. Then for the next following, okay, then you will single crochet, chain 1, turn. Then you will single crochet 1 single crochet in the next one single crochet in each stitch. And then for row 28 you will do the same thing. Then you will single crochet 2 together, in the beginning and at the end of row 29, and then in between you will just single crochet in each stitch. And then here we go with the single crochet 2 together. And then you will do that 2 rows of single crochets, 1 in each stitch until the very end. You should have completed this until row 38, and it should look something like this. Now, you will chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18, 19, 20. And you will attach it to the other side. And you will single crochet it. And you will single crochet the top side all the way through. To get that curve on the nose. And then you can grab the end of the tail and grab it so you can crochet it while you're crocheting. And at the end, again, 1, 2, 3, 18, 19, 20. And then single crochet at the bottom of the mask, so that it doesn't have this rigid edge and it would look nice. Now at the end, just go all the way to the end, make a chain, make it long end, and you will need a scissors to cut it. And now you just need a yarn needle to sew this in, and you're all done. And now you have one that curls up. You're all good.